and they just went through a Facebook ads module, and it's been pretty difficult for them. So we're just gonna have some fun during the class, and let's get started. Yeah, this is the money here. Almost 6 notes. That's the maximum budget I've got. So let's see who comes here and makes me laugh. Don't be shy. You have to be outrageous. Rule number one of Digital Scholar. Okay, I want everyone to be silent so that it's pretty audible here. Alright, so here's Make Me Laugh, take 500.
Hi. So, in a dental clinic, if the dentist is asking for x rays, how would he ask?
He'll just put them into an X ray machine.
Can you get me toothpicks?
Can you get me tooth? No. No. That was a good one, but I'm pretty slow. Toothpicks. Okay, next. Good try. Big round of applause for trying. Awesome.
Okay, what did sushi A say to sushi B?
That I don't like you.
No, wasabi.
Okay, you really want me to pay 500 for this? You want me to, you will buy sushi from here. Okay, good one.
I just realized I'm colorblind. So the reports came in and it was completely out of the purple. Laugh, please.
मारो मारो हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है
What did you get that?
Got it, a bit. Okay, yes. Okay, make me laugh, take 500.
Why all the graphic designers are always tipsy?
Because they use blur pencils.
Because they work on JPEG. JPEG.
Okay, got it. Good one, but no laugh. Alright, here's the joke.
चश्मे पहनने वाले कभी कुछ गलत क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
क्योंकि कोई उनको देख नहीं सकता.
अगर उनकी नाक कट गई तो चश्मा कैसे पहनेंगे?
नाक कट गया. Okay, I did. Okay, you got it. Good one. The one doesn't that make sense is making me laugh. Alright.
When I'll be like singing my song on my own, people will be noticing and they'll be laughing at me. So I'll be like, why? Because I sing so bad. So I want to sing for you.
Okay.
तेरी झलक शर्फी शिवल्ली नैना मलक बर्फी तेरी झलक.
Okay, enough. That was. I'll have to give it to you. That was the worst singing possible I've ever seen. Good one. Okay, next. So, alright, guys, silence. Alright, so we have a student here, and it's Make Me Laugh, Take 500 challenge.
I don't think so. So, husband asking wife, will you marry again after I die? So, wife replies him, no, I love to live with my sister. Okay. The same question the wife is asking husband, will you marry again if I die? So, what is the husband reply?
I like to stay with my brother.
No, I love to live with your sister.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Good one. Yeah, here you won. I actually laughed, right?
So how will a teacher address an empty classroom? Address to an empty classroom.
How will a teacher address an empty classroom?
Yeah.
No clue.
How are you, Bencho? Bench. Bench O.
Bencho.
Yeah.
How are you, Bencho?
Yeah, so just
You should have made it more funnier, but yeah, it's a good one.
According to the survey, India is the third place for women for beating their husbands. Do you think about the first place for women?
What? Third place for.
Third place for women. Think about the first place. His husbands are still alive. Think about the first place.
Pakistan.
I'm not sure. I'm not want you think about. think about the first place. Is the husbands are alive or not? Think about the first place. Is still alive or not?
Yeah, so what's the answer?
Is the answer, sir? Sir. India is the third place for women for beating their husbands. Think about the first place. Is
The husbands are alive or not? Wow. Good one. Let's give a round of applause.
It's not a joke, it's kind of a riddle, okay? एक गर्लफ्रेंड एक बॉयफ्रेंड बैठे रहते हैं. बॉयफ्रेंड अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को बोलता है कि बेबी मैं तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ, चांद तारे तोड़ के ला सकता हूँ.
अच्छा
एक गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड को बोलता है बेबी मैं तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ, बेबी मैं सब ला सकता हूँ तेरे लिए, चांद तारे भी तोड़ के ला सकता हूँ. एंड द नेक्स्ट गाय सिटिंग व्हाट ही रिप्लाइज, हाँ भैया ब्रह्मांड तो आपके बाप का है ना. सर
चीटिंग करता है तू.
I laugh partially, only 200 rupees for him, dude.
I'm going to share one of a funny and a bit embarrassing moment in my life, so you have to laugh for it.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So actually, I was an athlete back in school, and we had come for a sport event in Chennai. It is actually a very big achievement to come to Chennai from where I am. So we had come, and the 2 days it's the event, and first day event was over and it was all well and good, and second day we had went for the field, and
it was heavy rains and we couldn't go for the event till 4 o'clock. And we were all chilling till 4 o'clock, which was supposed to be happening at 9 a.m. It happened at 4 p.m. and it was a relay event, and it's like 4 of us have to be in same form and we have to go, right? So I was in my tracks and warming up in the field, and from 9 till 4 I didn't realize that I didn't put on my shorts. So I was only in my tracks and warming up. Once I got into the field and I felt cold air and I realized I didn't put my shorts. So then I was
thank you.
Let's give a round of applause.
A girl named Khushi, but whenever she cries, nobody take it seriously. You can guess why?
Supposed to be happy.
No, because people think they are Khushi के आंसू.
साले को बम से उड़ा दूंगा एक बार हाथ में आ जाए तो.
Thank you. She's like, somehow I have to take this 500 rupees. My bus ticket definitely தேவை படும் எனக்கு.
Okay, what is the best way to go to heaven? Okay, everybody knows the answer.
Whenever there is something, the press people they rush up soon and they ask. So once some bomb blast happened, and एक बेचारा ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है with the bomb blast, and they are going and asking that बम फटा तो कैसे फटा, and he's so angry and he's like बम ऐसे नहीं फटा, बम पहले हमारे पास आए, फिर हमें देख के थोड़ा मुस्कुराए, फिर शर्माए, फिर बोला मैं बम हूँ, आप बुरा ना मानो तो फट लूँ. तो मैंने बोला कि जब आए हो तो फट लो, तो फट गया.
I love the drama.
Okay, I'm sure that everyone here has watched Kapil Sharma show. I'm just gonna enact a scene. Okay, so you know this famous character, yes, Mashhoor Gulati, Dr. Mashhoor Gulati. So, एक scene चल रहा है. I don't know who are the celebrities over there, but still. कपिल शर्मा पूछता है गुलाटी को कि डॉक्टर साहब को बुखार कैसे आया. तो वो गुलाटी बोलता है मेरे को ना बुखार का फ़ोन आया. मेरे को कहता है मेरे को तेरे को होना. मैंने कहा हो जा, कम से कम 102 डिग्री होना.
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
So there's a couple who's into digital marketing, and they were about to break up. So what did the husband say to the wife? So they said we are not on the same landing page anymore.
गजब बेइज्जती है